rotation is circular motion rotatory motion. It can be horizontal rotation plane. It may be horizontal or it may be vertical. In winter hair coats rotate mày cu gì qua được mấy hai bro hair coat hai bro cái gì này cái khăn gì mày cu gì mấy nó bucket nó quay đi cái gì bucket sẽ có được mấy hai về mấy hai sẽ làm ra tập ra full swing का समय कंप्लीट होते हैं सुनो हाईवे आपको हमने निको अब की मैं आपको दासी यदि वर्टिकल सर्कल से सब बिता एग्जांपल परफेक्ट एग्जांपल था मेरीगोल्ड हम खलस मेरीगोल्ड तो इतना और इन विंटर सीजन था कोई हेयर से सर्कल तो के तो कोई ना बट तो मतलब था मैं मेरी तो समय हाई था ना ये रोटेट लाइक दिस याई को और कंप्लीटली उन समय रोटेट तो गया अपना याई देयर इज कंसीडर्ड vertical circular motion under three different category of the discuss about category number 1 oscillation in horizontal points miles इसलिए इसे स्विंग डायग्राम से कॉपी देखो ये डायग्राम से this is the lowest position of tabla. Let it be A in ecology, this is B in ecology, this is C in ecology, this is D in ecology. A will be the lowest position, B and D will represent the corresponding horizontal position of lakra. Since the this is the topmost condition number, topmost position number tareko. Nang my poses minus bucket se you rotate like this in the vertical plane. Vertical plane to rotate the boda. It can be rotated just by considering only the horizontal point B2. B2 is the mala maunda repeated right now 2 and so the minor oscillate the way abra just like nangi by food of hair photo containing circle we can swing it like this from one horizontal point to another horizontal point B ga di na apna pulap high smile high to the bagi kai do ko yai smile ka high be abra yai condition the what must be the minimum velocity at this lowest position for this oscillation is the minimum velocity kya tha ni aduga what must be the tension over here my tension se kya tha lage tension at the lowest position for this particular case what will be the tension and what must be the velocity that will be the two formula that you have to remember yaad rakha यार नहीं को ना कि oscillation आए तो लगे to and from motion आए बनी the body will be oscillating in between B and D just like this. So for the oscillation what must be the velocity that you have to give to this body of mass M to reach at this point B and reach at this point D. So what is the velocity at point B? Velocity क्या होगा नहीं रेस लेगा प्रा रेस लेगा अभी you will stop swinging at this B and at this point D हम सब pro ना स्माइल हाई को मतलब ना सीधे stop तो पूरा stop तो उतना भी zero ले रेको velocity others तो भी क्या था नहीं and it now decrease or it now lower I can no स्माइल lower तो पूरा सीधे मुझे stop तो bro what is the velocity at B? Velocity at B will be equal to 0 and what is the velocity at D? Velocity at D is equal to 0 but he will be still holding the bucket तो तुमने hold तो कर तो bro that means there will be a tension develop over here understood to ngami ai guys khang bro nan la sida bucket number 5 this is body of mass M nen khandra kaloi bro this is body of mass M se you will be holding the weight sida gi start to ure khal jeba sida su hold to we this position to hold to we this position to hold to bra to we even though the bucket is at rest at the horizontal position B and D you will be still holding it no hold to ro thamatra there must be a tension means it must be acted towards your shoulder the act or the draw jantai nan si or ga ta sai thalo ki bro thalo makha ta gini ko fall to gini ko aduna here the velocity will be kya manaba over 2 g a and the velocity provided that this L is the kaname velocity ke length ne na bro the radius r in velocity 2 g r velocity na this is the radius r in the radius r the minimum velocity for the oscillation will be equal to kya tha ni ai na ta is ani ni ko for this oscillation first to be remembered is what are the velocity. The velocity at the lowest position will be root over 2gr. If you give a velocity equal to root over 2gr, then it will oscillate in between point B and point D. Point B ga D ga oscillate tawrani. Yarani ko. And what will be the velocity at the horizontal position? 0 0 tabra tabra tare. Next point to be remembered se kya tarani? Nahi. What is the tension for this specific case? Kita kya taba? Let me put it as tension T in ecology. This body will be acted upon by kanana mo ek to this is mg by weight among later. So what are the two forces that will act on this body? See, body is the mass am later, mass level ki weight am later. Due to tension T, tension am later. I suppose the water which one will be greater, T or mg? Kanana more hoigani. aina ngarang haiku matamda for your circular motion nama sidadi kai daga tai we require kanama force daga tage we require centripetal force apa daga tai na we require a force that acts towards the center the ek taraf tai for circular motion or for rotatory motion we require a force that acts towards the center. That means there must be some force left that acts towards the center the act toward rama laibam to pratok tabra to e so T must be greater than your mg. Do you get the concept or not? Ai kamo tabra sida yam du bata ra dine koina no mo sanda ta kida o so kanda this is equal to mass m ma khalaji. This is f1 is equal to kya lakwa 10 newton and khanbiro f2 की value से क्या नहीं लो रही this is equal to 7 newton and kalaji. What is the net force? मान net force से क्या तारनी वा body से कलम चलनी the body will be acting in which direction? Upward or downward? Upward चलनी up तक चलनी को will move in the upward direction चले with what velocity? मान velocity क्या चलनी f net is equal to f1 minus f2 में चक्र चली. That means it will be equal to 3 newton dam chapra tabra chan. Understand tabra? Koi na pang si kai no we require a force that acts towards the kanada ek to pang no towards the center because this body has to perform circular motion. Circular motion chat kya hai tardi we must have something that acts towards the center. If these two are equal with tardi there is no force left to act in this upward direction. The act of the so the body will not be performing any circular motion until perform to roiba. If this is more roiba there is something left in which direction? In the direction of centripetal force or in the direction of center the lemong the bro lemong center ki mai ke lemong tarati oscillation to go ngudra ngamoi ro circular motion chat pa ngamani ko ai es khangani. See, body is up to charan gaya we must have something more in the upside the chatra chali more leko koi isi condition da lora jeba in our circular motion da we must have something towards the center of lakina tra the something ji kana le re se na tension T ma le re tension T which is acting towards the kana chali center and weight mg acting downward which one must be more? If these two are equal with it, they will neutralize and the body will be at rest. The body will be at equilibrium just like this. There will be no swinging. The swing to so in order to have the circular motion, there must be something left something left in the direction of the center की direction the khara left to do it something left in the upper the upper must be greater. Yes, in our example the upper the helen bro. That is why we will be having tension T minus mg. Do you get this? Upward direction, upward force it is towards the center, so it must be more than your mg. So we are left with net force. This net force will be providing necessary centripetal force provide understood tawi yari ko hai se mana net force to na necessary centripetal force to provide tawrani and the tension T will be equal to kya mana ba your mg kanala ani base kari gino minus lo ite why do I take this minus because of the opposite nature. Which one is more? Upper is more, so t minus mg, and the resultant or the net or the reduced value or the force that is left in which direction? The force that is left in this direction will be now utilized for oscillation or will be utilized for circular motion. Understood tawre? Circular motion amagi centripetal force to kya manaba? mv square by r ka mana idana. So we put it as mv square by r. Transfer taro am, this is v square by r matabra. After cancellation, this is mg plus kya tani bas am divided by r into what is velocity root over 2gr square log the rt. We cancel out, this is 2gr, r get cancel out kya tarani 3mg matabra tadabra. Hay gatra hay atu dinang na. If you do not know this step, six steps khang da tara dine, you remember only this. Kamai khang batare for your oscillation in between horizontal point of oscillate tau jai tara di, the velocity at the lowest position will be root over 2gr. Remember to yare ko. And what must be the tension? The tension will be star mark period rege. The velocity at the lowest position will be equal to root over 2gr. Next, what is the second formula? The tension at the lowest position will be 3 times mg. Masana tab natro heavy fill to which side na khali heavy fill iko like this fill to which ke wi when bucket and natra mai puj high matam sidana heavy fill rena like this or bisi to most position na like this or bra ai aise khong ro khong ro when swai high matam da bucket oigera mai pu oigera nangi fire poto oigera swai swing to matam da like this will be at this highest position tabra and heaviest will be at the lowest position. Now, my original weight se kya now? The original weight is only mg, but due to the position, what will be the apparent weight? Apparent weight will be 3 times the original weight, so it will be heavier 3 times more than the original. My original no, be 3 times heavy. Feel the understand the mama? Yare. You forget everything. No, you remember only these two. See, yare. Ready? Ai na hai cái tụi này nơi này nè, hostel winter season ni, nơi cái hostel dân này mga tayo mà đi khang mo rồi, hostel dân này cho mà yung dân này một đi, nan fair photo, nan nga swine up, burn tong na initially we have to swing it, swing tong mà thông tay na, while swinging you should not stop at the highest position, sita or di tarak bro, bucket to ra na ising no sai yo, rồi chole, yai ko hai di se, tu di kamai na hai pe tare se, nan nga some high basically yam fast over taradi yam speedy when high taradi sometimes it will fly off after reaching the highest point lima fly off to bra yeah that condition we discuss the see no na samla lage sida mana p this is point a ne nakhalaji this is point b ne nakhalaji this is point kya lakwa c ne nakhalaji this is point d ne lakra yare adu itar di here one must be the minimum velocity. Minimum velocity provided that this is our radius r in ecology. Radius to na kai we batare the radius will be the length of my hand. I hand ki oi din a drop. Yare ko. So what will be the velocity at the lowest position in order to reach the topmost position je yauna wana bata the minimum velocity that must be given will be 5gr hoigani. Sikawa dekho. In order to reach the topmost position, you have to give root over 5gr. Yarba, how this is obtained? It is not so important. Important is what must be the velocity for the object at the lowest position to reach the highest position. Lowest na highest kya hai root over 5gr legani hai. Yaradra, yare. Next up niyo mo. makha sidagi na kaya pikhala ne ba lowest initially we must give root over 5gr pirani. After giving root over 5gr, will the velocity increase or decrease? Nang asmain high matanda it will be fastest at the lowest position. Sina fastest odra slow chali. Then what will be the velocity at this position? Horizontal position na lagyo velocity kya tani v will be equal to root over 5 will be reduced to kya tha reduced to gani 3gr में reduce हो गए क्या कहता reduce तो देखो next mag topmost position जो मतलब दा one must be the velocity at this highest position will be root over gr ताकस क्या कहता ऐ इसको कहूँ तो bro maximum velocity at the lowest position and it will reduce to 3gr at the horizontal position and at the topmost position my velocity क्या होगी root over gr अहुम से खाने को अब आई हाई में मतलब ये नहीं कमाई ना हाई ऐसा सीना सी आदमी को this is position C like yes below is ना what is the tension at the lowest point C lowest point the tension क्या हो रहा नहीं what is the tension at the lowest point सीमा लोई ले जा रहे हैं this is point number 1 this is your point number 2 this is your point number 3 point number 3 and what about your point number 4 the tension at the lowest point will be equal to क्या आता है this will be 6 mg होगा ये 6 mg it can be calculated just by taking this mg is equal to mv square divided by r g square will be root over 5gr r get cancel out आई इसको bro ये सब माने ये बात same concept will be applied over here also. Somebody and what is the velocity? Sidana 2gr is na. Here you will replace it with root over 5gr. But replace the row 5gr. This is 5gm plus mg. It will be 6 tabra. Our answer will be 6 mg. Understood? To kung ami. Yan ami. Next what is the tension at the highest position? My highest position the tension kya tha ni? 0 स्कॉप है दी कोई ना सुन सुना हाई की नत्रा सी स्विंग तो मत न कोई कुछ ना पादी लूम दे मखा द लूम में को हेवीएस फिल तवरे साइज ना रिड्यूस तवरे सीधा लाइक दिस और ब्रो इधर ब्रो लाइक दिस होता है व्हाट इज द टेंशन T will be 0 finish हाई ब्रा हंगा निको and what is the tension at this this horizontal position tension at B 3 mg now I know that you know that this is not so important. See important important is what is the tension at the lowest position 6 mg what is the tension at the highest position क्या था 0 था इतना now see the करिएगा माना नहीं it can be compared to any horizontal projectile की मान height से क्या होगा ऐसा horizontal projectile I think निजे मुझे बिको when you stand at the top of a building and you throw the object horizontally with velocity u like this one you ta according horizontal projectile tabra na isi ki condition da while you swing this object na swing to matam da at the highest point it flies off horizontally tare ko so that what is the height here height will be equal to this is 2r ka mana bro it can be compared to horizontal projectile so the object is considered to be thrown horizontally from a height equal to 2r understood to kung abi Jeremy do you understand this one or do you have any doubt Spanish height na throw height matam sida it will be thrown away sipare na se here ka so the height ana dito yan tabra hanga niko adu itardi it will be just like horizontal projectile tare at what height will be 2r tare and what is the velocity of projection gr yeah de yarani if you forget the formula duna na kaw di bata ragadi let me rewind you angkang rewind to sake this is u ma khalaji this is height h ne na khalaji one dimension dai na di phajana di not one dimension two dimension dai phajana di ta ko if the object is thrown horizontally with velocity u, then it will produce a parabolic path produce to bro. So what would be the range? Magi range kay gamani. Horizontal distance is equal to horizontal velocity into time. What is the time taken? Time taken will be equal to root over 2h divided by g mata bro. Height is given tabi root over 2h by g tare ko. Adu magi distance puto kya hai the distance will be distance puto kya hai the height taraga na velocity or speed into time. Then se puto range. Speed se kya no u. Horizontal velocity. What is the time? This is t. You put the value, nang value to hape apre tabra yani abu di mark sinani swine pundra undabra sinule swine ta abra ta tabra this will be your range mata tabra ta roidro our range can be calculated as combine high patare this is horizontal velocity that is vc into what is the time t mahapiro vc की value से क्या ना what is the value of vc की value दी root over g r mata abra ta tabra तारे and what is the height मान height से क्या आता है root over 2 times क्या ना this is 2 r labor later bro this is 2 r ibe abra the bro it divided by g maha pe abra it will be equal to c kya mana re root over g r into this is 4 r ibe bro divided by g maha pe bro so cancel sak lo de kya ta 2 r ta bro understood to na mi ai se khamo re ko nang na sumaina swing to wo matam jida ne at the highest position if it flies off from the highest position then what would be the horizontal distance horizontal distance so kya आता है the horizontal distance or horizontal range will be 2 times the radius I mean 2 times the height sorry 2 times the radius or it will be exactly equal to height ke sumana bra mana dabra man yan tani hau reko simodara sinelo na sindraga du phomna di yaw bani noina siningbo pamo na sinbiro siningdraga na makam ta thare last ki amtang lage last ki chama na re khoi na hujila ise ahan na to isna smaina nangi oscillation to ma yare ko ani subana to most position de khai ka disara ma last na kai yota rese complete to digo just like your marigold to idna marigold smaina complete to bro tawi nang na bucket to you can rotate it like this in a complete swing then rotate to ya bra we will discuss there one 13 याद रहा समझ लो रहा point to be remembered se kai hai ni simple hoina when the object reach the highest point पे क्या उतारा दी हमारी कैनोजी क्या वो बता रहे velocity at the lowest position will be root over 2gr highest point ना gr ताबरा सिर्फ देखो velocity तो क्या था va will be equal to root over 5gr what is the velocity at this position horizontal की वरना vb will be root over 3gr या देखो what is the velocity at the highest position bc will be still root over gr मत आबरा तारे now the object will be in this direction ना मुझे चल कर चलो इधर स्वाइन चल कर चलो इधर चलनी what will be the velocity at d will be also still क्या माना नहीं root over 3gr का माना बरो and what is the velocity what is the tension at the lowest position पे क्या नो 6 mg याद रखना what is the tension at the highest position the tension will be E equal to highest position will be equal to 0 finish sama le and is equal highest पे जो होता भी highest position पे जो होता भी the minimum velocity will be root over 5gr at the highest position it will be gr याद रखा याद रखी तसेंबगीदी greater than होइबो greater than याब्रा नसागी मतोन यौनबगीदी क्यानो we require this must minimum the minimum velocity that must be imparted to the body say root over 5 g r but for completing the particle circle it must be more than this or more than equal to natra more than equal to तो most position पे जोता है कि नंगी फॉर्मूला by heart of say lowest 5 gr velocity तो most root over gr और in that position दा 3 gr याद रख calculation तो रसी है रनी को Question number अभी आई ना calculation बहुत तार जो तंग है रो बहुत बड़ी लो ग्राफ आता नहीं 75 के आंसर तो क्या आता है सीधे और ट्रे लोने कॉपी तो उनको आज की मौत एल सीधे का तुम यार हो यार देखो Question number 75 page number 12 तो यार नहीं को आई अन्य रहा न बोला रोइगे मतलब मांगे है नहीं अमना कोई theoretical question न होत पना त्रा मानस ने डायरेक्ट question न लाख तब जब माने माय जे question number 75 ता ए बॉडी स्टाइल अदु लोई पीरे को मा रोटेशन तौरे कांदा एट द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट सिदा ब्रेक तौरे तो फ्लाइज ऑफ तौरे अदो पैराबोलिक पार्ट of फॉर्म तौरे होराइजोनटल रेंज AC दो क्या तानी रेंज AC जे नंग x हने दिनो तो नत्रो x will be equal to 2 times your radius तो क्या नो l में प्रिंट नत्रो our answer will be option number 2 calculation जे सिदले देखो सी असाइनमेंट कॉपी तो होरबा तो उद्रगना let me put it as question number 75 अदो एंजेलिना तक करो है रोसे 76 के आंसर तो क्या आता नहीं माना होराइजोनटल पोजीशन है नत्रा सिदगी लेफ्ट तकी होराइजोनटल पोजीशन दुदी थादा रही है बरोंगली The mass of a bob of a simple pendulum of length L is mass mm pire. The bob is left from the horizontal position. Then the speed of the bob and the tension of the thread in the lowest position. ने क्या तानी? असाई के इन हाइट तो वो एक नक्ता है ओके एक क्लैरिफाई तो ओके. Then oscillation की होती. Oscillation can be started from the horizontal position. Horizontal position की drop होता है जो oscillation हम याद रहा और it can be started from here. चीज़ हम याद रहा था bro. But irrespective of the origin from where the motion is started, whether it is start from the lowest position वगैरह, whether it is start from the नंगी particle position दा वगैरह, it doesn't matter. We will be having the standard velocity at the standard position. Lowest क्या होगी नहीं? Oscillation की थी क्या था कि ये root over 2gr था को, and what is the velocity at this position? 0. माना straight ले पहुँचता है initially it will be 0. VB will be equal to 0. VA will be equal to root over 2gr. हंगा देखो. And velocity at the D will be 0 तापरा. And what is the tension at the lowest position? 3 mg. है लग रहा? ऐसे क्यों bro? मागी velocity तो होंगे आते हैं. नंग नसाई सीधे लगी बतो. Lowest position दा लगी बा velocity लगी बा lowest position दा लगी बा tension तो it cannot be changed. For that particular case, कारण वो case, whether the oscillation start from the नंगी bottom तक ही हो रखेरा, lowest position दे हो रखेरा, सीधे के हो रखेरा, it doesn't matter. 0 root over 2gr 0 मागी tension क्या था बा mg 3 mg finish है रे नहीं सही concept से खंग बता रहा थी tell me what would be the answer for your question number. Question number 89 से आंसर के अंक है रो. करम को कंडीशन हुई थी नो. Question number 89 से कोई ना खंगे तो उसे कहीं हैं खंगे दिनों केस हम खंगे डिस्कस तो बना था oscillation केस हमा है बमगा तकी flying हो कंडीशन है बमगा complete है बमगा लाखना था यो यो है कदम था है ओके नगना complete oscillation जे आई ने सही ताकुम तमदी motion started from here and we complete it like this because this is practically visible हो बना तो कोई डे टू डे लाइफ तो कोई ना रोटेशन जो साइड था मतलब पक्के तो साइड था सीलिंग स्टार्ट हो गया तब दे देना सीलिंग स्टार्ट हो गया तो that is why I have started from the bottom most part again start हो गई बनेगा but for our mathematical calculation it can be started from here or it can be started from here or it can be started from here it doesn't matter याद रहा any part की start हो गया मान हाइस के फिर this horizontal point सिद्धगी सिद्ध स्वाइना नंदर को with some velocity now p there what must be the velocity that must be given to this horizontal object so that it complete one circle से complete हो रहा है नत्रा what must be the velocity at here standard position नत्रो root over 3gr what must be the velocity at here क्या आता था it will be क्या आता था कि 5gr हम ताकत रहा तो सीधा क्या लाइट 3gr हम ताकत सीधा कहीं होगी नहीं gr हम ताकत रहा तो नंग सीधा ले का starting point it is 5 by 30 it will be wrong understood तो कम कम ये इस कम ब्रो नंग starting सीधा की start हो रहे कोई ना सही सीधा की ताकत दे दी कमाई ताई we start our motion from here so the velocity is over 5gr. Now in the question it is given that your motion started from here so it must be 5gr it will be wrong ya bra ai is kamo wi ko nang na sai ina takum matam di makha dagi start to idana makha dagi start to matam what is the starting velocity over 5gr hadra ai starting high deba velocity at the lowest position and high bhai da bro velocity at the horizontal position high bra velocity at the topmost position standard position के बिना high bra and it will remain fixed whether the motion started from here or from here it doesn't matter anywhere side the start or spin का देवा side the start or spin का देवा but the velocity at the standard position will not be changed माना pyramid के pyramid horizontal ना pyramid bro horizontal ना starting point वो है लो अपने what must be the velocity at the horizontal is over 3gr now lowest क्या होएगी नहीं 5gr क्या आता है नहीं 3gr तो most क्या आता है नहीं gr कहाँ आता
so sir this one can we call it like full swing
yes full swing
yes.
This is complete rotation
then the first one is that half right
I did not draw the velocity over here did I draw here no because it flies off at this highest position but for your complete rotation कहीं दोगुना है there will be velocity at this position lowest position velocity at horizontal velocity at the highest and again velocity at the horizontal position हम लाख then
so sir this is the third point
yes this is the third one
well it is the second point is right
no huh money खाना निको यार है अब या याद रखो अदम हो रहा है तुम भेजे रखनी था क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 दी 90 के आंसर तो क्या था नहीं था हेरो इधर क्या था A द lowest position है नत्रा B दना horizontal position नंबर तारे को C दना highest position नंबर ताबरा अतुदी lowest position की दी root over 5 अतुगा horizontal position की ना root over 3 अतु highest position की ना root over 1 ती 1 तारे इतना answer will be option number 4 है कितना है सिम खांगा निको ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯣꯠꯂꯁꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 86 step na pagadok ni ko question number 86 da karamba case no identify the case magi case to case number 1 oriba oscillation oriba dagi time of the condition oriba complete oi ko question number 86 the complete oi so what must be the velocity at the lowest position v initial will be equal to kya mana ni v initial will be ta hero हेबरेंगे complete तो गनी हाई प्राइ तब question number 86 था completes vertical circle line है bro या इनको अतो इदी मांग इसलिए वो velocity जो rover क्या था कदी नो 5gl हम लाते हैं लाओ bro it will be 5gl and what must be the velocity at this horizontal position it will be still moving तादी ना tro let me put it as vf is equal to क्या था this is rover 3gl naman tabra man hang isi kare no James in the velocity have na throw narang dusi ka chama na ba question na hot crack clock ki hot pa matanda what is the initial direction is horizontal or bra without changing magi change the without changing the magnitude and without changing the magnitude and the direction we can change or we can transfer this initial velocity over here side of ये कोई आपने आता bro यार इको ऐसे कौन bro this is your v initial and e आपना diagram से ही सुना नहीं okay this is position number A this is your position number B and e आपना this is our position number A इधर ले बस कमाई ले रहे this is VA VA is my value is V initial and I write the bro V initial is over 5gr mata bro 5gl and the synonym can we put it is it as V initial is equal to 5 over 5gl mata मैं आ रहा हमें so कितना क्या था मनी से this will be your V final is equal to over 3gl mata bro ताने माना difference है कुछ ना this is a vector quantity do you understand why I draw this over here because of the equal vector concept equal vector means we can change the position or we can shift the vector without changing the direction and the magnitude what is the magnitude 5gl what is the direction to the right what is the magnitude 5gl what is the direction to this side यार बा यार सीधे ले बतो कोई सीधे shift तो रखना तो ये so what is the change in the value मागी change the direction क्या हम change the this is 90 degree the change the raw so we can consider two vectors acting perpendicular to one another just like in yesterday question regarding the minute hand की ताक कितना मा adu chama na bra mang hana le na si le na ki swine sa kya ni kan ba ya bro we can consider that the object rotates an angle kya rotate ka ba 90 ma la ya bro or the upper will be the resultant this will be the resultant root over the initial square plus the final square. Can I write like this or not? Swine e bra ci equals से माना change the position से perpendicular में a vector b vector and it is minor like that we have two vector a vector this is b vector और that what is the resultant हमारी की resultant से क्या आता है this is r vector in terms of vector equation r vector is equal to a vector plus b vector in terms of magnitude ni कमाई नहीं in terms of magnitude का this is b this is a mal acro am like हमारी की angle से क्या ना this is theta this is r am like bro r will be equal to root over क्या बना हुआ a square plus b square plus twice ab cos of 90 ये ना थंबे अब रहा था bro this will be 0 था कितना रंग तक सुता करे को से adjustment हम निको अदुदी नंगी सीधा इधर से the change in the velocity delta v is equal to can we have this as root over v I t क्या हो से root over 5gl whole thing square और about the final थी क्या ना root over 3gl whole thing square में स्वाई इबे आपरा can we put like this or not यानी answer will be equal to root over this is 8gl हम तापरा 8 2 root over 2 ये तुम थंबा माले ये थंबरो याव रे को यारे प्रवासन खंद्र खंगनि को नबानी ज्ञान तारिबो How do we obtain velocity at the lowest position? How do we obtain the velocity at the horizontal position? And how do we obtain velocity at the highest? See, अब तक आगे देना इसका based हो गया it is based on your conservation of energy the अभी निको माना हम इसे करेंगे find out the magnitude of change in the velocity as it reaches the position of as it reaches a position where the string is horizontal silakan like mana please complete karamba case no karamba case ho ise ma specific one hairam bra ai bo lam yet to we ba ai bo ru 5gl iram bra iram bra ru 5gl ni ibo horam biko mana piece da ta hairam bra vertical circle का घायल में बा oscillation पिरम ब्रा पिरम दे flying of condition पिरम ब्रा no what about the complete circle no it doesn't mention no bra it may be either nang oscillation or UCI it may be oscillation or VI or it may be flying of condition or UCI or it may be completing the vertical circle of UCI bra specific होई दमीना we cannot put the specific values the half पे आते हैं बा complete हरम तानी का साइको ने complete है तानी one step ता one liner ता नंगी what is the initial velocity आएगा root over gl 5gl फाइनल ना क्या था कि previous question था 3gl हम प्राप्त bro happy one step तो लोई bra लोई but here we cannot apply the way this because it doesn't specify the condition whether this particular object particularly rotating body will be oscillating or will it be flying off or will it be completing the circle hayram de dana hayram dabnina we have to apply conservation of energy मान बता रहे क्या कर रहा यारे this is point A ने नखल जी this is point B ने नखन बे अब रहा तब रहा यारे अभी at this points da what will be the energy total energy क्या लेके नहीं से it will be purely kinetic energy लेकिन ना draw what is the height my height bro like it will be 0 so the potential by conservation of mechanical energy that means the total energy at A will be equal to total energy at B the such mana gadra mana right bro mana ni again we have this one kinetic energy at A is equal to kinetic energy at B is equal to plus क्या लगभग potential energy at B में इवे अब रहा दबरा यार नहीं why at this B there will be velocity B हम ना कर ला bro क्या था bro ऐसे कमो तो bro हम गनी kinetic energy at A से क्या था बा क्या this is half m u square it is given that the body will have velocity u हम ला bro like kinetic energy at B इधर क्या आता है we have to find it as half माना क्या फिल्म में क्वेश्चन को पारो फिल्म देखो half m this is VB square में आप अगेन plus what will be the potential energy मान height से क्या आता है height is equal to L का माना बरा माने radius height will be equal to radius का माना करता माना right बाकी ऑब्जेक्ट से क्या हम मांगी और राइट जल्दी होना it is L हम लाखनी ना can we put it as mgl हम यहाँ पे आगरा यार देखो सी ट्रांसफर करो m can cancel out mg cancel से कितना आती we will be having u square divided by 2 u square is equal to सोलह को कितना आती this is vb square plus this is 2gl हम इबे आगरा तगरा can we have this one can cancel out and after simplification we will be having this one यार VB को तो आज तक VB को तो क्या था VB will be equal to root over this is u square minus this is 2gl हम ताकत रोइटा तारे ऐसे कम और वो दिबो आगे this is the velocity करा ये वो आगे रुकता है ओके this is the velocity at B की पोजीशन the velocity क्या लेगी this is the velocity मान हम इसी का हम नो from u the गिना what is the new velocity becomes क्या हो रहा है root over u square plus minus 2gl हम लाख तो bro from u the it now convert into u square minus 2gl so what is the change that is similar to previous question का चम्मा ना bro step number 2 दना कहीं लानी से step number 2 दना we will be having c kana mana बता रहे नंगी this is u happy ro and what is the velocity over here let me put it as va is equal to u vb is equal to क्या माना बा root over u square minus 2gl हम तारबो ऐसे understood तो मम्मी तो माग एंगल से क्या ना this is theta equal to 90 हम तारबो what is the resultant change in the velocity delta v is equal to root over va square plus क्या लाकनी बसे vb square ना साइ explain तो गिव दो same सीधगी थोड़ा इंटेल रंबदगी सीधा लाइन है नत्रा नन स्वानी ये जो अब रहा था this is q and e let's say को just like previous question मान ना साइ मांग वर्क गिव दो अदु जब माने भी रो मांग वैल्यू तो क्या लाए va से क्या नो this is u square हम लाकरा u square नानी बार और vb square plus vb square will be u square minus this is 2gl हम तागतरा अभी आंसर क्या था this is root over 2u square minus 2gl हम तारनी आंसर क्या था उसे root over this is 2 times u square minus gl माना पुतवाई से velocity at b पुतवाई में न देवा how much is the velocity change from A to B? A लेना B को क्या हम change तो भी हम ना था कोई B दे लेके खंग दे देना खंग दबनी ना we calculate the velocity at B जे first तक कोई calculate तो है and this is changed by this formula vector equation हापो आंसर तारे क्वेश्चन नंबर 82 का आंसर क्या आता लगे हो अरे बताऊं खेना बसते हैं नते को आई अंत का आई हंजन लगा रिपीटेड ने हाई से वो कावगनी नहीं हाई निको नो मिस्टेक तो आई वंदा तब मिस्टेक चमा निको मा के ताहिरम देवा whether it complete or not as हाइरम दबनीना we have to apply conservation of energy पालगा कैलकुलेट करो find the velocity at the specific position B the puto adi matungda change haibani na initial minus final value puto tare question number 82 answer क्या तानी ते हो और जेसपिन ये पारो तो का है वो ये तो मान रहे हो
Sorry.
one appeal is the what should be the minimum velocity of the mass at the bottom of the circle so that complete have not thought यागत्रा यानी मा स्पेसिफिक कोई हैरम ता दी कैलकुलेशन तो कोई मतलब ता सुंदा ता दी नंग बाहर तो गुण नत्रा यस ना यानी आंसर विल बी योर ऑप्शन नंबर 2 रूल नंबर 5 जी तो तारबा यानी को नेक्स्ट का क्वेश्चन हम तक नंबर 79 से इता के याव से में कॉलम प्रगति कॉपी दम दे हैरन ने बा सिंपल नहीं को लगे
Sir,
हां
the word suspended like in physics, it simply means like something hanging, right?
yes hanging suspended means it will be get horizontally like this that is it must be somewhere in the air suspended is कोई ना have in your chemistry also air is suspended and have brought this particle are suspended in the air medium have brought they will be floating you have to consider like this floating dia is not object का मुझे ये फाइव फ्लोट तो लगेगी suspended means there must be a support okay या कहते हैं यार इधर यानी anyway let us start your question number 79 a suspended simple pendulum of length L is making an angle theta with the vertical lam have natra adi pendulum दिखांगे को सी को day to day life ता तुम उगो को नि pendulum है तरह कदी सिदा we will be having one string दिखा दौरानी the one end of the string is fixed to one point of the fixed already ko we will be having another mass m tied to the another n mass m mas tied already aduga nangi string normal lere at the end we will be having one stone normal lere and we pull it out like this and it will start oscillation that will be known as simple pendulum yani yare suspended is finally बजे you know Jeremy suspended means it initially it will be like this we plug it when it's fine to record this is the position okay then we pull it up side pull to रहना this is suspended okay aduga we have to drop it support हमना line ना तो से drop तो हो it will start oscillation okay ऐसे क्या था बड़ा अगर निको ना चिंगोगा थम्मिया बा चिंगोगा थम्मिया aduga this will be equal to 0 om dagat ta ro dani question में तो पारे एक समान है find out the velocity at the lowest position. My lowest position, the velocity क्या लेते हैं वो है बा. ऐसे understand तो रे. Sila masdagi niya. Lowest position si Chikho si Thamendra. We release from this position. Sila release tahu matanda. With what velocity it will reach the lowest position. That is the question. Okay. याद रखना. Yeah, ready. We have to apply करिए. Apply तो बता रहे. Conservation of energy. Conservation of energy पालो. सीधा दी करी को रनी. Initially it will possess only potential energy. The body is at rest ले रेको. But what about the height? माग height से क्या ले? This is at a height of the bro. Due to this height h, it will possess the potential energy. So potential energy at A will be converted into another converter kinetic energy at A. The converter understood to nami calculation taurasi. Height si kamay naman kani. See, आपने वहाँ क्या नंबर आएगा? OA की वैल्यू क्या ना? OA is equal to OB. This will be radius. This will be length. ये लंबा ताबला था दबरा. ये लंबा तारनी. How to find out your AD? AD से कमाना calculate तो क्या है? AD is equivalent to height h कमाना बरा. AD से क्या माना गया? This is equal to height of the position. My position तो height h समता बरा. AD can be calculated as कना लगभग कर दी बसे OA minus OD में subtract होता है D. If we subtract this much from this much, we will be having the actual height of the object. याद रखना. हंगी को understood तो हुआ मी. OA दी क्या नॉर्मल अपनी दी OA will be equal to length L में ताप होता है bro. This is length L, radius. मान radius तो length L में समझी. और OD से क्या तारनी? OD will be equal to क्या था दगे? आई ना नान ताकि गा आई एक्सप्लेन याम तो रोई के L cos theta. This is a vector हमने record. This is a vector. A vector if it is taken resolution along the direction of angle लोगी पे बता this is A cos of theta हम तारता दबा finish. याद रहा. Or you can calculate by taking your triangle ODB just like this. Cos of theta is equal to OD divided by OB. General method था. Shortcut method का क्या है नहीं? Resolution concept का है नहीं? What is the length? सीधे सी बुक से क्या हम सांगे बस है. जिसमें नौवे देखो. Vector हम पीता टी angle से हम क्या इधर ना क्या गनी cos of theta अपने आप ना था. only A cos of theta. A की मोड़ L होता है. This is L cos of theta. सी ना क्या होता है? L sin of theta आप ताकि रहता है नो. This will be OD will be L cos of theta. DB will be क्या था रनी? Sin theta. DB is not required. We require is OD हम दरकार था अपना नो. OD this is L cos of theta हमें इबे आप रहा तबरा. यार अतरा. यार एको. Next राशि में खंगा बनी ना. Potential energy question नंबर क्या है उसको? हाँ? 79. Potential energy at B will be equal to कना माना दिनो kinetic energy at A हम यहाँ पे आ रहा. Potential energy at B से क्या माने mg h का माना देखो. What about the kinetic energy at A? This is half m. This is B. This is B which is to be calculated. So calculate तो बिना ड्रॉ. M and the M get cancelled out. We will be having V is equal to root over 2g I समता आ रहा. पर इन्होंने नहीं करी और h की वैल्यू जब से जनरल रहता है root over this is 2g and this will be L minus L cos of theta हम ताबरा finish देखो root over this is 2g L 1 minus cos of theta finish आई गया मेरे
point B and initial potential energy is 0.
No. Why can it be 0? No. Even though the body is at rest, it is at a height h, okay? So if any object is at a height h, that means here logically you think like this. The body is to be initially dragged by how much distance? Kaya mo ka drag to be no? By a height h you drag to the. It will be pulled up by h distance. So the work done will be stored at this position B as potential energy according to our work energy theorem. But automatically reach the this position B is maintained due to some external work done, and that external work done will be stored in this body as potential energy for this particular height x. Okay, and work done against the gravity will be mgh. Understood taura? Yarani ko ay kangani ko. Adi gravity is conservative force or banina. In your work power energy theorem, I have already explained this. Even though this is position A in ecology, this is position B in ecology, we have initial point and final point fixed ecology like this. This is part number 1, part number 2, this is part number 3. What will be the work done over here? W1, W2, W3. It will be equal. Jab managi bro, manada bro. Managi. This will be W1 is equal to W2 is equal to W3 because gravitational force is a conservative force. Conservative force means it will depend only on the initial and the final point, and it doesn't depend upon the path taken. Path chosen to depend to deva. And here, displaced how much of displacement will be produced? Kya distance away? Minus can we bring it or can we take the object in this direction? Just like this, or you can take this like this, it doesn't matter, or you can take this object or this object vertically like this. Our answer will be mgh. Work done against the gravity will be mgh. Okay, so initially it is at a height h or d, it must possess, even though the body will be at rest, it will have zero kinetic energy. And what about the potential energy? Potential energy will be mgh. Okay. Yara tra. Sociology next na. Hayeng kano tage. Hayeng na circular turning of nangi kano dumata si road tumata si aduga we are done with circular motion lore.